In this video, I'll be sharing another new method on how to earn money online where you can make $4 for every 20 clicks. What if that's 100 clicks? You'll easily earn $20. And if you made 500 clicks, well, that's equivalent to $100. Imagine in just one click you're earning money. In just one click, you'll be paid 20 cents. Well, you're also getting paid another 20 cents per visitor to the website. I'm sure you've never heard of this website before, but I'm here to introduce to you this brand new opportunity to earn money online. Wherever you are, you can join in this and begin making money right away. Once you've earned enough cash, you can withdraw it to your PayPal account. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. So here's the name of the website. The website is called EntireWeb.com. EntireWeb.com is a search engine that's fairly similar to Google. You all know the Google search engine, right? Take a look at this. You can also search for anything on this new search engine. You can search for whatever you want, just like what you search on Google. For example, we'll type here, how to make money online for beginners. And here, you'll see a lot of results. You can see blogs and articles about how to make money online. You can also see images, videos, and news about this topic. And obviously, it's the same as the Google search engine. Even though this website is new to the market, it is comparable to Google. It functions like Google, but on this website, they'll pay you up to 20 cents for each click you make. You may be wondering, why would they pay people just by searching on their search engine? It's mainly because they're trying to encourage more people to use the EntireWeb search engine and increase their users. By signing up as an EntireWeb affiliate, you may be the one to promote this free search engine and encourage more people to use it. And you can continuously make 20 cents for each click every time someone uses the search engine. Isn't it great? This is incredibly effective because you don't need to sell anything or pay anything. All you have to do is to encourage people to use the free search engine, and you'll be paid per click automatically. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. So, what are the good features on this website? First, of course, they'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. Second, you'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. Third, everyone can join this program and start earning money within minutes. And lastly, it will only take you a few minutes to make your own account that's totally free. So, how does this website work? A visitor clicks on your affiliate link or banner, either from your site or your email, and from that, EntireWeb will pay you for the first click as well as any additional clicks that the visitor makes after that. Post Affiliate Pro ensures accurate tracking of all sales and referrals. The entire process is also automatic. Your clicks and visitors will all be accurately tracked, and even if cookies are turned off in the customer's browser, it still functions. Even if the customer comes back to the website months later, the click will still be recorded. You can get paid using your PayPal. All earnings from the previous month will be paid at the end of each month. US dollars are used for all payments on this website. Other forms of payment are not accepted. They have a minimum payout limit, which is $50. So make sure you provide your correct PayPal email address because if not, they won't be able to pay you. Now to create an account, just click this button right here, and you'll be then taken to this page where you need to fill up your personal information. Just put your first name and last name, and then put your email address, and finally create a password. The choose your own tracking ID is optional, so you can skip that. And then let's move on to additional information. Most of the information in this section is optional, so we'll just choose our country here. As you can see, they are available in different countries around the world. They accept users from Bangladesh, Canada, India, Mongolia, the Philippines, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and many more. Then, tick the box if you agree to their terms and conditions, and hit the sign up button. After you create your account, you can start promoting the entire web search engine to everyone online and continue to generate clicks automatically. I want to share a bonus website with you. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. The name of this website is Hercules.com. On this website, you're free to promote whatever link you want. Again, this is totally free. It doesn't require any money and is accessible anywhere. So, all you have to do is to register and get a free $5 sign-up bonus. As you can see, you don't have to do anything, yet they already give you and their other users $5 as a sign-up bonus. You don't have to answer any other questions here, just answer all of the required information, enter your first and last name, create a unique username and password, then you just have to put your email address. Next, check the box if you agree to the Hercules Terms of Service. Click the CAPTCHA and then hit the Create Account button. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you can select between a free or a paid membership option. They offer free Gold and Pro memberships. So don't worry, you don't need to purchase a plan just to use this website. Choose the free membership option and click this one right here to continue for free. Now this is what your dashboard will look like. So simply click this button and then you'll be directed to this page where you can submit an email or web advertisement to this website for free. As you can see here, I'd like you to scroll down and look for the regular mailer. You only need to fill out the subject line, URL link, and advertisement content. For the subject line, you can put something like this: brand new search engine that looks like Google. Introducing EntireWeb. Hercules.com will allow us to automatically send emails to thousands of recipients for free. And this is the best thing about this website, that they're actually giving free membership to all users. Going back, just fill in the test URL, which is your affiliate link, and each time someone clicks on your link, the entire web search engine will be visited, and you will continue to receive 20 cents per click each time they search something on the search engine and click the search button, or click any links, videos, or images. I could definitely say that this is an effective approach to promote any site you want. For the ad body, you can write something like, click on the link to try out this brand new search engine that's better than Google. Try it and see how it works. Don't forget to insert a word like free on the ad body or even on the subject line. In this way, you can encourage more people to click on this link and give it a try because people are more willing to try anything that's free and doesn't cost money. Therefore, with the help of Hercules.com, you can send these email advertisements to thousands of recipients. And since it's free, a significant number of people will click the link. And each time they search for something and visit one of those websites, you'll get paid 20 cents. And there you have it. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. Just share your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.